In front of me is TECNO Phantom V Flip, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access users and accounts. Then click on this gear next to Autofill service and click on Google Password Manager. Following that, choose Passwords at the bottom left corner and tap on Add Password to add a new one. Then input all of those informations. At the top, you can type in any website or click on Select App and tap on the chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you finish, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!